Hello, I'm an 2015 Chevy Suburban, and today I'm going to show you how to add power steering fluid. So spoiler alert, there is no reservoir for power steering fluid. This is an electronically controlled system, so no need to add fluid anywhere in this. But if you're having issues, first check through your steering column, suspension system, see if you can see anything obvious that's causing you issues. You could check your OBD2 port with a code reader to see if there's any codes that might lead you to what you might be experiencing. If you're having issues with the power steering system, sometimes a computer, you can flash the module and reset it. Sometimes those things can go haywire. But beyond that, it's potentially might have to replace the little motor to it, but that's pretty unlikely. But otherwise, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.